Hi, I'm Ray. I'm on the allotment today and we're going to show you how to grow some carrots. I've got two varieties of carrots. The first one is Cosmic Purple, cylindrical, sweet and tender, tapering roots with strong tops. And the next one we got is Carrot Early Nance 2, a favourite for succession sowing, front-ended cylindrical roots and a very small core. So, first of all, the first job we need to do is to prepare the soil. So I'm just removing any weeds, and we need to prepare the soil to fine tilth. So carrots don't need a lot of nutrients in the ground, and they don't like manure, so this is going to be just fine. So once we've got our bed prepared, we need to mark our line. So using a straight edge, we can make a trough all the way along our line. So have a look at our seeds, and we've got 2,000 seeds. They're quite small, and there we go. So we can just take a pinch and sprinkle them along the line, just like so. Or an alternative, we could get some sand and we can add the seeds to the sand, and then we can sprinkle the seed along with the sand in our line. And we go all the way down. There we go. job done. Once our seeds are in, all that we do then is give it a water, keeping it moist, and we look forward to some seedling popping through in around 2 weeks' time. We can cover this with some netting or even a board just to keep the soil a bit warmer. And that's the carrots. So that's the carrots planted, and we look forward to getting some of these purple carrots growing. That'd be quite interesting. So I can't wait to watch the carrots grow. Once they appear 2 inches tall, thin them out slightly and take away the bigger ones as they grow. And you may be left with a great big one such like this. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers for now.